Hi everyone. Let's go for one more video here on the Diecast channel. Now I'm going to show you this diorama, this Greenlight diorama. It's a Motorcraft shop with 4 very interesting cars as well as some shop equipment. Let's take a closer look now. This is a 1966 Ford Galaxie XL. Very nice car. It features very nice looking alloy wheels, just like those ones you use in the Mustang. This is an engine hoist. These are all going to be unpacked within some minutes. 1967 Ford truck, which is very similar to the 1969 I'm showing on the video before. There's a battery charger and a toolbox, garage door. 1967 Mustang. This is rather a competition car. And a 1967 Ford Custom, which is basically a simpler version of a Ford Galaxie. First one is the box itself. It's a car shop, it's a garage. It's quite simple, but it's pretty good to make a diorama to complete with an extra scenario, just like the one I'm working on. And it features this tool chest, which is a very nice piece. It's got the wheels underneath, correct colors, handle placed over here. The other component that's very interesting is this battery charger. It's really well done on the right scale and fully detailed. It's a very nice piece, and you can just place it in there. And this engine hoister, which is also very well reproduced. These pieces really don't move, don't have any sort of moving parts, but they're rich in details and perfect for setting at a garage, just like this one. I'm going to have to work on this floor. It's full of holes because there were some wires connecting the cars underneath them. So perhaps I'm going to have to do something different. Maybe I'll use just this upper part with a different floor and integrate this to the other scenario I'm building in a 1:64 scale. Some of the cars we have on this set is this 1967 Ford truck, which is very nice. It's got the opening hood. It's a Motorcraft truck, white interior, a toolbox. Perhaps it wouldn't be a very nice idea to have a white interior in a garage pickup truck. It would be all greasy and stuff. Still looks very nice. It's very well done. Put in there. Then I have this very nice looking Ford Galaxie. It's a 1966 Ford Galaxie 500 XL. It features Mustang alloy wheels that really look nice in this car. It's got this sort of burgundy red color, black interior. Black's always tough to show in cameras, but this one looks perfect. It's a 2-door Galaxie. 2 lights we know, right? It's got an opening hood as well. You know what kind of engine this one is. Maybe it's some, could be a 302. It's really hard to read here in this batch. Letters are really tiny, but the car looks very nice. I also have this 1967 Ford Custom, which would be the next generation of a Ford Galaxie, but in a simpler version than a Galaxie 500. This is a Michigan police car, which looks very nice. It's a very nice color, very nice tail lights, plastic bumpers, which are very well detailed. And this car usually has a 6-cylinder engine, straight 6. This is actually a V8, could be a 302 as well. It's a very nice car. Greenlight is made with 67 Ford Galaxie as well, but only 4 doors. I wish they had a 2-door 67 Galaxie as well as a 4-door 66 Galaxie. You can put them side to side and compare the changes over the years. 67's got this sharper front end, vertical headlights with a slightly different design and slightly different grille. More vertical tail lights than the 65. They're both very nice. And this 67 Mustang, this roof is a little stained. I tried to remove this later without damaging the paint. This looks like a competition car since it's got these black headlights. The engine here, it's got the opening hood, black interior, and these look like Shelby Cobra wheels. Look very nice in this Mustang. Really like this car as well. Put in there. I was with Ford. So this is the set we have now. We can combine these with some different Greenlight and M2 and General Lightning cars and have some very nice different combinations. So this is it we have for now, and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to my channel. Till next video. Bye bye.